Well, you say that you hate it here, and you don't like the weather none, and you tell me that you never could come back for anyone. Came across the Hood riverbank, reflecting the day sky, with a headwind howling. I dropped an old fishing line. Caroline, what have I done to you this time? Oh, pardon me, but don't you see we're going down and down and down? So run away, why don't you migrate across the states and cauterize all the lies you spit out, foaming at the mouth? But I love all the evergreens and was born in a mountain town. But you're like a damn earthquake, knocking everybody down. And your words are a bloodbath, like a dog on a box sun. And you drink till you black out, cursing the light of the sun. Caroline, what have I done to you this time? Oh, pardon me, don't you see we're going down and down and down? So run away, why don't you migrate across the states and cauterize all the lies you spit out, foaming at the mouth? Well, she died on a Saturday, drowning in her first love. But I wish your poor liver could have cried out, enough is enough. Caroline, what have I done to you this time? Oh, pardon me, but don't you see we're going down and down and down? So run away, why don't you migrate across the states and cauterize all the lies you spit out, foaming at